this is our day vlog, but this is Peter's car. I'm gonna put on my seatbelt if I can ever reach it.
GTI, you see that right there? Boom.
Okay, we are on the county roads right now, and I don't think there's like really any cars, but this is my first time driving a Standard in over how many years?
Is it up
Brakes?
as far as you know?
Yeah.
You know how this works.
No, I don't remember. So brakes, shift. How do you pull the seat up? Because look how I'm like so short to the steering wheel.
No, you're good.
So do I lift my foot off the brakes first?
Yeah,
And then push gas?
Give it a little gas and
And then
let it
do
a
I
little
lift
off
my
the
foot off the clutch after?
Yes, you know how this works. Yeah, see, it's stinking easy. And then clutch in, go down a second.
I'm so scared. I haven't done this in so long. It feels so weird. But it's like riding a bicycle.
It is like riding a bicycle.
The clutch is a little different. Like the left foot, you know? Like it's different.
She's a pro.
5?
Yeah, 5.
Oh, it goes all the way up to 6?
It goes down to 6. Yeah, I think just go down to 6.
Go down to 6. Did I go down
To the right. No, that's 4th probably. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, I gotta get used to that.
Well, good job.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have for you guys a date vlog. We haven't done one of these in over a year.
We haven't gone on a date in over a year.
That's not true. We've gone on some dates, not every week, but whenever we can we go. So probably like what, twice a month now, but we've been busy with a lot of other things. So anyway, if you saw my previous video, we were packing because the kids were going to spend a couple days with grandma. And so here we are. We decided not to go anywhere out of town because we're going to be traveling a couple of times coming up in December and January. So it's a staycation. We're home. We sleep in our beds. Yeah, we had a really good night's sleep last night. But today we are, what are we doing? Where are we going first?
Running some errands.
Yeah, we just ate dinner.
Eat some dinner.
Oh no, well,
Or
we
lunch.
ate some lunch.
And then eat
It's
some
really
dinner.
late, yes. The sun sets so early now too, at like 6, almost 6. So anyway, I wanted to get the intro done before, but we're going to probably go to Dollar Tree and Home Depot, and so we'll just take you guys along. This is what we do on our dates. We run errands. we run errands now, and we just really enjoy it. So anyway,
Let's go.
Let's go.
Bye.
Okay guys, we're really red because it's dark, obviously, and yeah, they're brake lights, but we just picked up our first, what is that? Chestnut praline latte for the season, yay! I usually don't get Starbucks that much unless it's the fall or winter, and then it just, the smells, the aroma of it just brings
It's
lots
good.
of holiday spirit to us. So anyway, we're on our way to Dollar Tree right now in all of this traffic.
Hey, you can see us.
Yeah, because there's some good lighting for right now anyway. Well, we are about to go watch a movie, y'all. We are gonna go watch The Grinch.
The Grinch.
The Grinch. Well, we'll see how it is. I don't know. I feel like the last time we did a date vlog, we were getting gas too. We're always getting gas in
We
your
were
car.
getting gas.
We were. The last date vlog last year
Oh.
that I vlogged. We always get gas for some reason. But anyway, we're getting gas again. And we're about to go watch a movie. Eat some popcorn. Always gotta have some popcorn. You don't want any popcorn?
I know, I need popcorn.
Okay, we're gonna eat some popcorn. Alright guys, we are home. We ate dinner and we are about to go get ready to go to bed. It's been a long, fun day. I hope that you guys are doing great, and I hope that you are encouraged to love your spouse, date your spouse, and just honor your spouse in that way, that you do care about them and you have affection for them. And so that is so very important for husband and wife to be like that, even after marriage, not just during dating, but you date after marriage as well. So anyway, we hope you're encouraged in that. We love y'all, and Peter is currently about to jump in the shower, so we almost forgot to close the vlogs. If you know us, we are typically really bad at closing the vlogs because we forget, but here I am. So anyway, I'll stop rambling, and I hope you guys have a good night or day wherever you are, and we will see y'all in our next one. Bye.